Introducing the 2023 Ford Puma ST-Line X in sleek grey with just 20,000 miles on the clock. This SUV is equipped with a powerful 1-litre petrol hybrid engine and manual transmission for a smooth ride. Loaded with comfort features like air conditioning, ambient lighting, and satellite navigation, this vehicle ensures a luxurious driving experience. Safety is a top priority with ABS, collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning, and more. Plus, enjoy added convenience with features like Bluetooth, voice control, and wireless charging. This Puma comes with a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and warranty. Visit Hillsford, Dockside UK, or call us today to make it yours.